Wrong pitch on this. Step on it. Not good at all. Yeah, we're getting ready for the Skylight replacement. We're gonna remove that old Skylight, re-pitch the roof up to the new soffit area. Here we are using a table saw to rip the 1x4s and the 1x2s. And we're putting in Skylight today. It's a special order octagon Skylight. So the other one was a larger Skylight, and we reframed the roof where it matches the roof, where it's an actual pitched roof now, whereas it used to be a flat roof before. It's the new Skylight, octagon Skylight, with the custom reframing on the roof, match the shingles. It's a better job than what it was before. Alright, we removed the wallpaper, put a water-based primer on there so it wouldn't stink up the house or affect the workers, and put a light skin coat all the way around. Now we're going to put another coat of mud on the walls and sand down the texture up there, make it more of a crow's foot, which is a real light texture. Another coat of mud. There's where the Skylight goes, the new frame. Here's the bronze clear Skylight and the new octagon spot.
If you're a homeowner in the Woodlands or Northwest Houston area, schedule a professional roof inspection today for an honest opinion on your roof's condition.